Hello traders, before I get into the review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now jumping into the marketplace page, I'm looking at the Martini AI EA by Abimanu Hans. This is listed as uh, this current version that we're analyzing is the MT5 version, but there is also the MT4 version as well, right? So this is both for MT4 and MT5. The Martini EA, it has both the MT4 and MT5 versions, and the EA is priced at 599 US dollars with rental options also available monthly at 399 US dollars and quarterly at 499 US dollars. Okay, so which is something that I always like to point out because it gives traders flexibility before committing fully. The version here is 1.65 and it looks like it has been updated fairly recently with a decent number of activations already. Now, scrolling through the description, the developer presents this as an AI-driven trading system built with open AI integration and machine learning concepts. Now, it is designed mainly for major forex pairs like the AUDUSD, EURUSD, GBPUSD, NZDUSD, and USDCHF, which gives it a pretty focused market selection. Now, one thing I notice is that it is built around scalping behavior, mainly during quieter nighttime sessions, and it uses pending orders for entries. It also mentions built-in risk management and avoidance of news trading periods, which is aimed at reducing volatility exposure during high-impact events. It's also optimized for 5-minute chart conditions, so it is clearly designed for short-term execution rather than long-holding strategies. The setup appears relatively straightforward with pre-optimized settings intended for plug-and-play use. Okay, so now moving into the feature breakdown, what stands out is the emphasis on adaptive AI behavior, where the system is supposed to adjust based on changing market conditions. It also highlights automated profit protection and real tick data testing, which suggests the developer has focused on execution realism. Now, before moving into testing, the recommended pairs and conditions are fairly clear. Major USD pairs, low spread brokers, um, and ideally stable execution environments like a VPS. So now looking at the backtesting and chart behavior, the EA is described as having been tested on real tick data, which usually gives a more realistic performance view compared to simplified models. So we're going to head over to the strategy tester right now, the Martini EA MT5. We are testing it on AUDUSD on the M5 time frame from the start of this year, 1st January 2026 till date, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. And then for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server every tick modeling. All right, so when I review the historical results here, I'm mainly paying attention to how consistently it behaves across different market phases, especially since it is designed for scalping during low volatility periods. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more complete picture of how it behaves across different conditions. So from a strategy perspective, what is visible is a focus on short term entries using pending orders, with the system aiming to secure small movements rather than holding trades for extended trends. The AI component is positioned as a way to adjust entries dynamically, but the exact internal logic isn't detailed beyond that description. Okay, so we can also see that this EA is not the type to stack a lot of trades at a go. Yeah, we can see that there is significant spacing between trades. All right, and we can see that the EA also seems to, based on that trade history that we saw, it's capable of holding trade for several hours. All right, but let's just quickly go over to the results. So in terms of results, I always treat these as historical backtest performance, not something that guarantees future outcomes. Okay, performance can still vary depending on spread, execution speed, lot size, and overall market conditions. So it really comes down to how it is configured and tested on your own side. Now we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was $2. Just one total trade was taken, and it was a short trade with, of course, it was a winning trade. Now the largest profit trade obviously is going to be two, and the average profit trade will be two because it was the only trade taken. So there is not much to talk about here, okay, because we are analyzing just one trade, right? And we actually used the 5-minute chart, which was recommended, right? But I will recommend, since this is, they said, designed for fast scalping on the 5-minute chart, so that was why we used the 5-minute chart for this test. But since under recommendations, you can any time frame, you can use any time frame, I will recommend that you test the EA across different time frames and across the different recommended currency pairs as well. And maybe you can actually go find out the one that has the best result. Okay, but remember that past performance does not guarantee future results, because performance can vary depending on the spread, the execution speed, lot size, and overall, market condition. So overall, it looks like this EA looks like a structured scalping EA that is built around controlled conditions and specific trading sessions, with an emphasis on automation and risk awareness rather than aggressive trading behavior. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. And don't forget to share with friends as well, those whom you feel are also going to find some value in this video. So thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy trading.